Welcome to the fourth lesson of Blockchain and Decentralized Finance by Actuate Biomedicine. Today, we're going to learn about decentralized exchanges. The aim is to educate you about what a decentralized exchange is and how it differs from a centralized exchange, some examples of decentralized exchanges, how to swap tokens in a decentralized exchange, how to create a liquidity pool in a decentralized exchange, why a liquidity pool is important, and lastly, the advantages of decentralized exchanges. We are going to start by defining what a decentralized exchange is. A decentralized exchange is a type of cryptocurrency exchange that operates without a central authority or intermediary. They operate on blockchain technology and smart contracts, allowing users to trade directly with each other without relying on a central authority. This means that they are peer-to-peer. Here is a list of popular decentralized exchanges where you can interact with Actuate. We have Pancake Swap, Quickswap, Ubeswap, and Uniswap. I have given you corresponding websites for each exchange so you can go check them out. For this lesson, we are going to be using a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap exchange. I am going to show you how to swap tokens in PancakeSwap. Open your web browser. Click on Extensions and log into your MetaMask wallet. Go to the top left corner and add network. Add the BNB chain network. Approve the details of the network. Then switch to the BNB chain network. Go to your browser and type in pancake.finance, then search. On the PancakeSwap website, select the BNB Smart Chain network. Then connect your wallet. You're given options of wallets, then click on MetaMask. MetaMask will ask to approve this connection. Click on Next. Then connect. You are now connected to PancakeSwap exchange. There's a variety of things you can do on the PancakeSwap exchange, including swapping, liquidity, perpetual trading, bridging, changing to V2, buying crypto, and then trading. We are going to focus today on swapping tokens. So click on Swap. And then for the token pair, you can click on BNB and Actuate tokens. There you input the amount of BNB you want to swap for Actuate. And according to the price, you're going to see the number of Actuate you will receive after inputting the amount of BNB you want to swap for Actuate. Click on Swap. Confirm the swap. Then this will trigger you to open MetaMask and approve the transaction. As you can see, the transaction has been submitted. The transaction has now been confirmed, and you can check the details of the transaction in the BNB Smart Chain scan, also called the BSC scan. So here are the details of the transaction I just made, including the transaction hash, the value, the gas price, and the transaction fee. Congratulations, you are now a trader of Actuate. Next, we're going to learn how to create a liquidity pool using Actuate tokens and Binance Coin, BNB. Okay, let's go back to Pancake Swap. Click on Liquidity. Then click on Add Liquidity. At the top, you can choose your liquidity pair, the tokens you want to add liquidity to. We're going to choose BNB and Actuate. And we'll be using the V3 liquidity pool. So the percentages there, you can see the amount of fees, percentage fee you want to charge. For now, we will choose the 0.25%. We're going to select the range of the price we want to set Actuate to. Select full range and then click on I understand. Next, you're going to input the deposit amount you're going to invest in the pool. So enter the BNB amount you would like to put in the pool. And considering there is already liquidity in the Pancake Swap, it has already calculated the amount of Actuate. Click on Add. Confirm the transaction. And this triggers a pop-up in the MetaMask wallet for you to confirm the transaction. Since we had already created the pool, I will show you how a liquidity pool looks like. At the top, you can see liquidity, which is the amount of liquidity you inputted in the pool. Half of it is the BNB and half will be the Actuate. On the right, you can see unclaimed fees. These are the fees incurred by the pool when transactions are made. When other people come to PancakeSwap and trade Actuate tokens for BNB or BNB to Actuate tokens, you get a portion of the transaction fees. This is what makes up the unclaimed fees in your pool. At the bottom, you can see the price range which we initially set. And as you scroll down, you can be able to see the history and the current price of the Actuate tokens. It's that simple. Just follow this tutorial, get some Actuate tokens and BNB, and start building your pool. You may wonder, why do I need a liquidity pool, or what is the importance of a liquidity pool? One is earning passive income. Liquidity providers in a pool earn fees generated from trades within that pool. As you saw, the unclaimed fees. This can provide a source of passive income as you are rewarded with a portion of the trading fees for contributing your assets. 2. Access to DeFi markets. Liquidity pools are a gateway to decentralized finance markets. By participating in these pools, you can access a wide range of DeFi services such as decentralized exchanges, lending and borrowing platforms, and yield farming. 3. Providing liquidity for traders. By adding your assets to a liquidity pool, you help ensure that there is sufficient liquidity for traders who wish to buy or sell those assets. This benefits the broader ecosystem and can contribute to a more efficient and liquid market. 4. Diversification. Liquidity pools often support a variety of assets. By participating in a pool, you can diversify your portfolio and reduce exposure to a single asset, potentially spreading risk. 5. Community and governance. Some liquidity pool projects offer governance tokens to liquidity providers, allowing them to participate in decision-making processes for the protocol. And lastly, asset utilization. If you have cryptocurrencies or tokens sitting idle in your wallet, participating in a liquidity pool allows you to put those assets to work, potentially earning a return. As you know, if there are decentralized exchanges, then there must be centralized exchanges. So what is the difference? I will give you two main differences between decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. 1. Centralized exchanges are operated by a central authority or company that holds the platform, its servers, and user funds. Users deposit their assets in the exchange, which acts as a trusted intermediary. Decentralized exchanges, on the other hand, operate on blockchain technology and smart contracts, allowing users to trade directly with each other without the need of a central authority or intermediary. User funds remain in their control throughout the trading process. 2. For centralized exchanges, users must deposit their funds into the centralized exchange's wallet and trust the exchange to secure their assets. While in decentralized exchanges, users retain control of their funds at all times. They trade directly from their wallets and their assets are only moved when there is a trade. So there are several advantages of trading in a decentralized exchanges, and I'm going to list them as I expound on each. 1. User control. This means that you maintain control of your funds at all times. You do not need to deposit your assets into the exchange, hence reducing the risk of losing funds due to security breaches. 2. Security. Decentralized exchanges are generally considered more secure because they do not store user funds. There is no central point of attack for hackers to target, making it difficult for them to compromise the entire exchange. 3. Privacy. Many decentralized exchanges offer a degree of privacy. You can trade without revealing extensive personal information. Thus, it is appealing if you are concerned about privacy and data security. 4. Reduced counterparty risk. You do not need to trust a centralized entity to act as an intermediary. Instead, smart contracts automate the trading process, reducing counterparty risk. 5. Global accessibility. Decentralized exchanges are typically accessible to users worldwide, and they do not discriminate based on geographical location. Users from different countries can trade with each other without restrictions. 6. Wide range of tokens. Decentralized exchanges often support a variety of cryptocurrencies and tokens, including those that may not be listed on the centralized exchanges. This can be especially useful for trading less well-known assets. 7. Transparency. The blockchain technology underpinning decentralized exchanges provides transparency and allows you to verify transactions independently, thus reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. 8. Lower fees. Decentralized exchanges typically have lower fees compared to many centralized exchanges, as they do not have overhead costs associated with running a centralized infrastructure. 9. Censorship resistance. Decentralized exchanges are resistant to censorship because they are decentralized and typically operate on blockchain networks that are difficult to control or shut down. And then lastly, innovative features. Decentralized exchanges often pioneer innovative concepts such as yield farming, liquidity pools, and decentralized finance applications, which have gained popularity in the cryptocurrency space. In conclusion, we have learned that decentralized exchanges operate without a centralized authority or intermediary. You now know how to trade Actuate tokens and add liquidity in a decentralized exchange. So get you some Actuate tokens, start building liquidity pools or trading in any of the listed decentralized exchanges.